If it appears as if your Android storage is getting filled up, this video walks you through on how to free up some space. Let's just get right into it. Okay, there are so many ways you can free up space on your Android device, and we're going to capture a few here. Okay, the first step is to get to your WhatsApp, all right, because you share files through WhatsApp, and most of the times these files are stored locally. All right, so get to your WhatsApp application on your Android. So look at mine, I will tap on it. So once your WhatsApp opens, tap on the three dots at the top. Then select settings. Once you get to this settings page, scroll down until you get to storage and data. So tap there, you can see I'm there. So on this storage and data, you can see the section with the text manage storage. Tap there. Allow it to load. So you can see review and delete items larger than 5 MB. So tap on that section where you have 147.2 in this case, because I have 147.2. Your own may be higher, it may run into gigabytes. So I'll tap there. So this shows some videos and possibly some files that are large that are consuming your space. So tap on that box where you have select all. Okay, then tap on the delete button, which is at the top right. Then you see delete items, tap on delete. So this has freed up some space on this Android. Then, but there's another approach we can use, or another way we can clean up space on our Android as well. And that is going to individual app settings. Okay, for example, if you use browser, maybe Google Chrome, it can have some cache files that amounts into a lot of gigs, as well as other applications. All right, so let's go through the settings as well. So I'll tap on settings. So I will select the option of app management. All right, look at app management here. I'll tap on it. Then tap on app list. So this will display some apps that you have active on your phone. And in this case, I wouldn't want us to experiment with Google Chrome. So let's work with CapCut in this case. I'll tap on this CapCut. What you need to do here is to tap on storage and cache. Then select clear cache. You can see cache files here is about 99.05 megabytes. So tap on clear cache. Okay, you can see I have freed up space here. Let's talk about the last approach to free up space on Android. As usual, swipe up or right or left on the Android and then get to the settings. On this settings page, you will see a lot of options. Scroll down, get to storage and tap on it. Allow it to load for you to see the type of files or the storages or folders that are occupying a lot of space on your Android. But note, this is if you want to clear everything. So if you want to clean up everything on your Android, tap on clean up, follow the on-screen guide, and every file that is saved on your Android device will be removed and you have a clean Android. But please, if you know that your files are still important to you, don't apply this method 3. If you consider this helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.